Dear viewers, welcome to day 6 of our transformation journey. How is your experience so far? I know we have embarked on this journey lately. Hence, there is less content as of now. But be patient, as time passes, we will become rich in the content. Only I would request you to keep practicing and try to make more sentences. Now let's move on to the word of the day. Rival. Meaning, a person or thing that has competition with each other. Example 1, Bharat and Pakistan have always been rivals. Example 2, Apple and Samsung are fierce rivals in the smartphone markets. Example 3, the world best runner finished more than 2 seconds ahead of the nearest rival. Next interesting word of the day. Intuitive. Meaning, having the ability to know or understand things without any proof or evidence. Example 1, many scientists are musical, and many musicians have a good intuitive understanding of science. Example 2, ladies and gentlemen, my most intuitive friend will make an introduction. Example 3, most of the successful people are extremely rational and intuitive. That's all for the day. Thank you. Keep practicing, keep growing.